So, after days of trekking around Animal Kingdom, Evan and Mum have finally completed their Wilderness Explorer certificate.
What a waste of bloody time.
Was it slightly underwhelming?
Yeah.
Did you get a badge?
No. Got a sticker.
All that work and they got a sticker.
Sure, what's the sticker, Valerie?
Oh, the sticker.
All that work.
Yep.
There's your Mickey ice cream sandwich, Mum.
Oh, some.
And now we're tucking into.
No bloody idea whatsoever.
Oh.
They were having a right whinge up there. Oh, are these the only chips you do? We don't like those chips. Can we just have a hot dog without the chips? No, you can't. It comes with the chips.
Anyways.
And then the little kid who sat behind it in the buggy starts sucking up his water and spitting it at me.
At you?
Yeah, so I go, oh, that's not very nice.
Anyway, we're having a Mickey
They
ice cream
didn't say
sandwich.
anything, and he did it 3 more times. I said, excuse me, can you stop your child spitting his water at me?
Happy holidays, folks. Yeah.